Well, good morning, sailors and travelers. We're almost at the end of the first phase of the restoration of the boat. Today, I have pretty much finished sanding this top bit and, of course, the rest of the hull, with particular attention here where one plank of wood joins the other, where the peeling of the previous coating was particularly bad. And the next step will be to paint this with a special coating that will go inside the fibers of the wood and will protect it and also make it well, several shades darker. The end result should be mahogany. After that, the hull will be recaulked, so those little strings will be put here in the seams to make the boat actually waterproof. And then the deck will need to be cleaned and scrubbed and oiled, because as of it is now, it's well, pretty filthy. And the last phase will be to paint it, to paint the hull a different color. I think I'll change this white into burgundy red or something like that. I'm still debating. So yeah, it'll be at least another 2 or 3 weeks. So I'll see you next time.